Welcome students. So today I am present here to teach you a subject accountancy. So in 11th class accountancy or in 12th class accountancy is the main subject of commerce stream. So today I am going to start a first chapter which is known as meaning and functions of accounting. Clear? So in this chapter firstly we have to know about the accounting. And after that before that accounting, we have to know who is the father of accounting. Because in every subject we have some fathers. In physics there is a father of physics. In chemistry there is a father of chemistry. In economics there is a father of economics. So that like that in accountancy there is a father of accounting. Clear? So basically he is not a father of accounting, but we are saying he is the father of accounting. Then who is the father of accounting? So father of accounting is Luca di Pacioli. So in a short we can say Luca Pacioli, but his full name is Fra Luca Bartolomeo di Pacioli. So it is the full name, but it is the very lengthy name. So we can say in a short Luca Pacioli, which is already given in your textbook. The father of double entry system or the father of accounting is Luca Pacioli. Clear? So he was born in 1447 and he was died on 1517. Clear? And he was the first person who write a book on double entry system or accounting. Clear? So that's why we say the father of accounting is Luca Pacioli. Clear? And he was an Italian mathematician. Basically, he was an Italian mathematician. After that, he wrote a book on double entry system. So that's why we are saying the first double entry system book is written by the Luca Pacioli. So that's why we are saying Luca Pacioli is the father of accounting. Clear? So after this father of accounting, we have to move towards accounting. Clear? So accounting, what do you mean by accounting? Accounting is just only a process. It is a very simple thing. Accounting is just only a process which converts raw monetary transactions into a useful result. Means whatever the transactions related to money in your business recorded in your business, we have to convert that all monetary transaction into a useful result. Because if we are running a business, if we are running any organization, we have to find some result. Because we are investing a money. So we find out some result. And result will be in the form of profit or loss. So accounting helps to finding out the result from the all monetary transaction incurred during a financial year. Clear? So it is a general definition. Now come to the definition which is given in your book. So definition given in your book is: accounting is an art of recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing of monetary transaction and interpretation of result. So there are the 5 things in a definition, and whole accounting is depend on these 5 things. 5 transactions. Clear? So the 5 things are recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing and interpretation of result. So you can see all these 5 things in a screen. It is also known as a process of accounting. We can say it is a process of accounting because whole accounting is depend on these steps. So now we are discussing about these 5 steps. So firstly we are going to discuss about the recording. Recording means we have to record the all monetary transaction in a proper manner, in a systematic manner, means date wise or time wise. We have to record all transaction. Clear? That transaction recording is known as journal, cash book. Clear? Subsidiary book, which is known as the original book of records. So in original book of records, all journal, cash book, subsidiary books are considered. Clear? So it is a journal. in recording. So in recording we are going to prepare a journal. After that we have a classifying. So classifying means we have to classify the transaction which was recorded in accounting throughout the year. So we have to classify the transactions according to their nature of transaction. Means we have to make a separate account for each and every transaction. If we are making a purchase, so for purchase, all types of purchase we have to make a purchase account. If we have a sale, then for the sale we have to make a separate account. For machinery we have to prepare a separate account. Means that's why it is known as a classifying, because we are preparing a separate account for each and every transaction. So it is known as ledger, which was written in classifying. Clear? So after that we are going to the summarizing. Summarizing means we have to make a summary of all transactions recorded during the financial year. So during a financial year recorded all transactions should be converted into a summary. That summary is known as trial balance. That summary is known as trial balance. Clear? So the trial balance is provide means a short information, brief information related to the all transactions incurred during a financial year. Clear? After that we have to consider, we have to analyze the transaction. So the analysis, the next point is analysis. Means in analysis we have to analyze the transaction which are recorded in accounting. So we have to analyze, what we have to analyze? We have to analyze the transactions recorded are correct or not. If there is a correct, then good. If the transactions are recorded wrongly, then we have to rectify all those transactions which are wrong. Clear? So we have to study in analyzing rectification of error, bank reconciliation statement. Clear? So after that we are going to the interpretation of result. So in interpretation of result it shows the final result of accounting. Means at the end of the year we have to identify the result, firm earn a profit or loss, and what are the financial position of the firm. So we have to finding out these profit, loss or financial position, we have to make a final account. So we have to study a final account after the analysis. Clear? So a final account shows the final result, and it will always be prepared at the end of the year, and the result should be communicated to the accounting user. If the users, who are the users? Users means the person who are interested in our accounting, who are interested in our result, like investors, supplier, government and bank. So we have to communicate result of accounting or the firm to their users. Clear? So after that, now all this process are completed. So if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe. If you want more updates related to video, please press bell icon. Don't forget. Thank you.